Marshall Medical Center is a hospital located in Lewisburg, Tennessee. In 2012, they completed the first ever LED retrofit of any hospital in Tennessee. They also replaced all of their exterior lighting with light-emitting plasma, LEP. Inside, we replaced over 2,600 fluorescent light bulbs. This eliminated potential mercury hazards in a healthcare setting due to the fact that all fluorescent tubes contain the harmful element mercury, while LEDs contain no harmful substances. All of the LEDs, as well as the LEPs, carry a 5-year manufacturer's warranty and a 5-year labor warranty, eliminating any costs related to lighting for a minimum of 5 years. Marshall Medical Center saved over 47% in energy consumption, totaling over $25,000 in electric cost savings alone. Future Vision Energy. Save energy, save money.